Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, hi, hello. If you are, hi. My name is Ty Tucker, and this is a look we're doing today. I already did my foundation, my base, and all that, so today we're just gonna be doing eyes, and I'll be showing you how to do that. If you wanna know how to do this look, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, notification bell, to be notified whenever I upload. Feel free to follow me on TikTok, my Instagram. I'll leave everything linked below. And yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna go in with this MAC Cosmetics Painterly Paint Pod, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids. When you prime your eyelids, it just makes a good base for your foundation to stick to. And I'm not gonna take this all the way up this time just because I'm gonna do a natural look. Now that I have my eyelids primed, I'm going to be taking my Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. I did a look on this, my last two looks I believe with this palette. This is what it looks like if you haven't looked at it yet. And the first color I'm going to dip into is, I'm going to take a stained pink Morphe brush. And I'm going to take this neutral brown shade right here as my transition shade and just put that all over my crease right here. Like so, right there. I'm just gonna buff it out, bring it in some, and then I like to smoke it out as well. This just gives it a nice new crease and easy to blend the other shadows, and it gives it depth. Alright, when you have that blended out, I'm gonna take what's left on that brush right there and just blend that up to my eyebrow bone. Perfect. Alright, taking that same fluffy brush from Morphe, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take this darker red shade right here, and that's gonna be where my new crease will be. So I'm gonna put that in right here, just dab it, and that's where, follow my brow bone, or my eye bone, brow bone? My eye bone. And just start smoking that up to the inner corner, and then back out. And I'm gonna take this bottom purple dark maroon shade right here, and I'm gonna take that fluffy brush, just the normal fluffy brush from Morphe, not the blending brush, and I'm gonna dip into that. I don't know why I was trying to show you. I was dipping into the color, and I'm gonna add that right here and bring it in towards the center more. And then also just going out in that corner to deepen that up. Taking now that blending Morphe brush, and we're just going to flick it. Now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush from, I don't know who it's from. It doesn't say. So that's fun. I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm going to add that in the center of my eye. And just kind of combine it in like this. Now taking that blending brush from Morphe with the leftover color we have on it, and I'm just going to smoke those two together right there. Here in the brow bone, I want to take this pink shade right here, this hot magenta pink shade, and I want to add that to my brow bone area just to blend it in with those two reds that we did. Like that. I'm gonna take that Painterly paint pot and just make a new crease, starting right here in the corner, and just dragging it up. What I'm gonna do now is go back in with that same black fluffy brush that I have with that darker brown, and I'm gonna blend the corners of where the eye primer, concealer, the cut, meets with the brown. So that way there's no harsh lines right there. And then taking that same black Morphe, taking that same black Morphe fluffing brush, and I'm just gonna buff the brown and the red together. Like that. And then taking the last blush brush, and I'm just gonna blend out that corner of my nose. Now, this is where I'm stumped. I think, I'm gonna, let me see. I wanna try one of these. Let me test this one out. Ooh. Okay. So there's that, or there's this gold one, which I might, actually the gold one first. Yes, I like that. And I'm gonna take that silver and just pop that right there. Yes, I like that. Okay, now I'm gonna take that purple fluffy brush I had and just get rid of that excess gold and silver on top right there, because that's not a cute look. And I'm also gonna blend in more of that red right there. And I'm gonna take that flat angled brush I had and just clean up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, pop some eyeliner on, sew some lashes on, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, now that I have both of my eyes done, I went ahead and threw on some eyeliner, some eyelashes, did the other eye off camera. And we're not gonna talk about the elephant in the room, about how one corner of my eye doesn't match the other corner of my eye. All right, so next, we're gonna do the bottom here. And what I think I wanna do is just go for something dark. So we're gonna take that dark red that we used earlier and just smoke the bottom out. And then connect it up there. And then taking that red shade, we're just gonna pop that right here and blend it in. All right, guys, I'm just gonna do this other eye, pop some lip gloss on, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I don't know. I don't like the eyeliner still. But besides that, this is what I came up with. It's a little bit of a prom-y look, if you ask me. It looks a little bit prom-y, or just a casual day out on the town with your girls, your boys, shopping, you know, some mimosas, all that jazz. Your ex's funeral, you know, the same old, same old. I was gonna add silver to my lips, but then I realized that that's not gonna happen, so. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And if you want to see more looks like this, leave a like. Thumbs ups are always great. And then leave a comment down below and leave your TikTok handle, and you know, maybe I'll follow back. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Bye.